Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 6th to 10th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 1.74% negative move. There was a holiday on Friday. So here, this is the closing of Thursday. 46.76.08 was the closing on Thursday. So now I'll be talking on what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 5-9 levels, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, currently, if I talk about the closing, 46.76 is the closing here. Direct support and direct resistance zones are already marked. So currently, we don't need to mark any new levels because we have already marked during our previous week analysis. So here, 46.76 is the closing here. The direct support is 46.50. Direct resistance is 4700. After direct support, there is a support of 4600 and then 4568. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4750 and then 4800. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Overall, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared platform links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also share discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So do consider using that. If you don't know what is funded account or platform, I already made a dedicated video on what is platform, how it works and what are the rules that you do follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking it out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion gold USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, that is 4700 to 4750. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if there is a gap down opening or we see a 1-day candle or 4-hour candle close below 4650, then we'll go for a short trade till 4600. Remember, price is what we will decide and only will go according if direct support or direct resistance gets crossed or a candle of 4-hour 1-day candle gets closed above or below this, then we will go for a short or a long entry accordingly. Overall, my expectations with positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you didn't like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.